See, babies. Whoop. Whoop. There we are. Tree. Give me a break. So, follow and see, babies. More than we soon we shall the garden see. The sun now shines more warmly above, sending down such golden love. The earth grows warmer, the time is near, when King Winter need not fear. So, slowly begin now to rise to the light, to see the sun shining bright. Oh, nose, dear nose, we hear you now. We'll grow if you will show us how. Through winter's night we'll shelter your care. Help us now to the warm spring air. Show us the way to the sun's warm light, that we can see him shine so bright. We gnomes are working on the ground, baking bulbs and seeds we found. Wake up, seeds, it's time to sprout. Push through the earth till you come out. Wake up, bulbs, it's time to grow. Push through the earth till your green leaves show. We gnomes are busy underground, feeding all the roots we found. Come now, come, little gnomes. We must leave our earthy homes, for we must free the flower queen and build her a throne on the meadow so green. Take your hammer, take your sack, take and lift them on your back, for we must free the flower queen and build her a throne on the meadow so green. Here we build on the meadow so green a shining throne for our flower queen. With glee, we little gnomes are leaving moss and mountain homes. With our hammers bright, we'll work from morn till night to free the flower queen. From deepest earth to light and air, we'll make a way for our lady fair. With our hammers bright, we'll work from morn till night to free the flower queen. We dig and dig with pickaxe strong. Our hunger breaks away, and happily today we free the flower queen. Awake, O queen, you may no longer dream. The flowers are waiting to go on their way, to furbish the meadow, to breathe the bright day. I thank you, gnomes, for your shelter here, away from the winter cold and drear. In the soft earth I was warm and safe, and the cold I did not fear. And now, in the shining light of the sun, I shall mount my throne again. I shall scatter the fields and valleys with flowers, and bring joy to the hearts of men. Oh, little flowers awaken, and open wide your doors. Put on your pretty dresses, for spring is here once more. Oh, little flowers awaken, and open wide your doors. Put on your pretty dresses, for spring is here once more. Deep in the earth, in their dark winter beds, someone is calling, the little flowers said. In colours bright, they quickly dress, lavender, purple, and gold.